So dear student, I hope you are doing well. With the continuation of this lecture, and now I am going to discuss another problem based on time and distance. Now look at the screen. A and B are two stations 390 km apart. A train starts from A at 10 a.m. and travels toward B at 65 km per hour. Another train starts from B at 11 a.m. and travels toward A at 35 km per hour. At what time do they meet? Suppose let they meet after X hour from moving from 10 a.m. Now there is 2 points A and B. Now the distance between A and B is mentioned in the question. It is mentioned that the distance between A and B is 390 km. Now a train A starts from this point and move towards B. B की तरफ बढ़ती है with certain velocity. और इसकी स्पीड की वैल्यू दे रखी है क्वेश्चन में, वो दे रखी है 65 किलोमीटर पर आवर. एंड ये निकलती कितने बजे है? ये स्टार्ट होती है 10 AM पे. फ्रॉम पॉइंट बी सेकेंड ट्रेन स्टार्ट फ्रॉम 11 AM. ओके, एंड द वेलोसिटी ऑफ द ट्रेन विच इज मूविंग फ्रॉम बी पॉइंट इज हाउ मच? मेंशन द क्वेश्चन 35 किलोमीटर पर आवर. 35 किलोमीटर पर आवर. तो बोल रहा है कि एट विच पॉइंट बोथ दे मीट, दोनों कहां पे मिलेंगे. तो देखो, वन थिंग विच इज इंपॉर्टेंट इन दिस क्वेश्चन इज इफ सपोज दिस इज माय मीटिंग पॉइंट, दिस वन इज माय मीटिंग पॉइंट, यानी दिस this train 1 travel from A is travel this much distance and B travel this much distance. The total distance traveled by the both train must be 390 at any meeting point. किसी भी पॉइंट में जहां वो मिलेंगे, both value of traveling is equal to 390 किलोमीटर. डिस्टेंस तो सेम होगा 390 किलोमीटर. अगर मान सपोज करो if they meet is actually at this point, so ये वाला ट्रेन जो है नंबर एक ट्रेन जो है they covered distance this much and B covered distance this much, so total distance covered at this meeting point is 390. इसका मतलब ये है there must be the traveling, जो डिस्टेंस यहां से यहां है, जो डिस्टेंस यहां से यहां तक, इनका समेशन must be equal to 390. So here what I am using distance equation. D1 and D2 is equal to total distance is given to you D. So I am writing distance equation D1 plus D2 is equal to D. So D1 is what? D1 is distance covered by train 1 starting from A at a speed of this. So what is my formula? The formula of speed is equal to distance upon time. So what is the formula of distance? Distance is speed into time. So I am writing here what is my D1? My D1 is speed. Speed is 65 km per hour and R, let x are their meeting point, so I am writing this is must be equal to x. Now D2 is what? D2 is distance and this is distance is how much? This is total is x minus 1. So 39 km 35 is given to you. So 35, this is x minus 1. Okay. After this are they are meeting. Now what is D? 90 total distance. So this is also a distance from, this is also a distance from, this is also a distance from. Why I am writing x minus 1? Because this train which start from B travel 1 hour less, where x in hour. So this x in hour, तो इतने घंटे में 65 करता है, ये कितना डिस्टेंस कवर करेगी? 35 किलोमीटर स्पीड से x minus 1 घंटे में जो B ट्रेन है वो कितना डिस्टेंस कवर करेगी? The summation of both the distance must be equal to 390 kilometer. Now you can solve this problem. Simple equation, simple linear equation. 35 into x, 35x minus 35, it must be equal to 390. So this summation of 100x, 100x is equal to how much? This is, you move this from this point this is 94.25. So what is the value of x? X value is 45 divided by 100. It must be 4.25 r. It means that 4.25 r. Now from 10 a.m. the train start. After 4.25 hour, तो 4 hour तो complete है, and then 15 minutes ना, 15 minutes, because in total there is 60 minutes, so 4 and 25 minutes are left. 25 means 1/4 quarter value, so quarter value is how much? 15 minutes. So in 15 minutes they make, so 10 बजे start हुई है, 4 घंटे बाद कितना बजे आएगी घड़ी? तो हो जाएगा 2 PM and 15 minutes. It means the clock show like this: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So from 10 it start, and after 4 and a half, so the clock show like this. So this is the time at the point where the both trains are meeting at a junction. You note down the concept. Suppose the meeting point is after x hour from 10 a.m. This x must be in r. So here I am equating the distance. This is distance equation. Okay. So I am writing the distance equation, and because speed is given to you and time is and r is given to you. Okay. So I am equating this value because this value is mentioned. So the total distance is mentioned to you. So I am writing the distance equation. This is called distance equation, and from distance equation I can calculate after so many hours both can meet at a point. So 4 घंटे 25 मिनट के बाद, 4 घंटे 25 hour के बाद they are meeting, but this is 0.25 hour. Convert this hour into minute. So एक क्वेश्चन कर लेते हैं चोर और सिपाही का. A thief is spotted by a policeman from a distance of 100 meter. When the policeman start the chase, the thief also start running. If the speed of the thief be 8 km per hour and that of policeman is 10 km per hour, how far the thief will have run before he is overtaken? Please look at the board. This is police and this is thief. Okay, the distance between police and thief is how much? 100 meter. Okay, fine. Now the speed of police is how much? 10 km per hour, and the thief speed is 8 km per hour. So police speed is higher than thief, so that he is overtaken by the police. Now distance is given to you. This is total d, sir, and the difference of this, क्योंकि distance कितना है, इन दोनों में difference कितना है? The difference of the police velocity and thief velocity will give you how much? 100 meter. So I am writing the distance equation. So this is what x distance equation कैसे लिखेंगे? Speed into time. So I am writing speed into time. Speed ये है और time मान लेते हैं let the time of overtaken is x. Okay. So distance equation ये मान लेते हैं चलो d1 और ये मान लेते हैं चलो d2. So d1 minus d2 give you this distance, the difference between t and t. So this is d1 minus d2 is 100 meter, but this value in kilometer per hour, so you need to convert this meter into r, meter into kilometer, sorry, meter into kilometer. So I am converting this meter into kilometer because this distance is in kilometer. So this is 10 into x. So this is 10 into x minus d2 is how much? 8 into x. So the relative velocity between police and thief is how much? 2x is equal to 1 by 10. So what is my x? X value is 1 by 20 r. तो इतने घंटे में पुलिस जो है वो चोर को पकड़ लेगा, ठीक है? So this is the time at which police is overtaken this thief. Now how much distance covered by thief? तो thief कितना distance करेगा? Distance covered by thief is how much? Distance covered by thief is equal to speed into time. स्पीड कितना है thief का? 8 किलोमीटर पर आवर, 8 किलोमीटर पर आवर, एंड टाइम कितना लग रहा है पुलिस को पकड़ने में? 1 by 20 आवर में थीफ जो है वो कितना डिस्टेंस कवर कर चुका होगा. सो दिस आर गॉन, दिस 8, 4 2 is 8, 4 5 is 10. So this is 2 kilometer by 5. So 2 kilometer means 2000 meter divided by 5. So this answer would be 400 meter. So thief distance traveled is 400 meter. Now let's check how much police covered the distance. The police distance covered is equal to what? Speed into time. Actually your answer is okay. This is your answer. Now I am going to show you the difference between police and thief. So speed of police is how much? 10. Time taken 120 to overtake the thief. So this value is what? 1 by 2 kilometer. 1 by 2 kilometer means 500 meter. So this is distance covered by police. This is distance covered by thief. And look at the board. This is police distance covered and this is thief distance covered. And difference between P and T is how much? 500 minus 400 will give you 100 meter. This is the initial difference between police and thief. तो इस तरीके से ट्रेवल कर रहा है और इस तरीके से को पकड़ लेता है. ठीक है, आपको बात समझ में आ रही है? You got at this point? Everything is crystal clear. There is no doubt about it. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video.